Okay. First of all, I don't understand how anybody can be straight. What I really don't understand is how people can eat cooch. I mean, how do you go down there, man, and not puke on the cooch? I mean, personally, I think you deserve an award. Deserve a plaque. People, coochie is like fish. Smells and tastes like tuna. From what I've heard, I'm not straight. I'm not. I don't want you to think that I'm straight. But from what I heard, it tastes like tuna. Well, I'm just gonna have one question. What kind of taste buds do you got? What kind of taste buds is that? Well, coochie is coochie. I mean, but I just don't understand how you can do that, you know? But once again, what kind of taste buds is that? What kind of taste buds do you got? Coochie doesn't turn you vegetarian. Nothing will.